How to change check-in time on a Booking.com listing. First, you will need to log into Extranet. You want to go to the Booking.com Extranet website and sign in with your property account. You will then click on the property tab from the top menu. We want to select property. Sometimes it's going to be labeled as property info or policies, depending on your setup. You will go to policies or check-in, check-out times. You will look for a section called policies or something similar like check-in, check-out. You will then edit the check-in time. You want to find the check-in time section and click edit, or directly enter your desired start and end times, for example 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. You will save your changes, scroll down and hit save or update to apply the new check-in window. And just want to review your listing, go back to your property page or calendar to confirm the new check-in times are showing correctly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.